Will the fire not light?
No, my lord. The wood is too wet, and my hands too cold.
Let me try. Oh, never been so cold. You'd be better off somewhere warmer.
As would you, my lord. For now, share the fire with me, and listen to the tale of this mountain. Long ago, fire fell from the sky and landed atop Mount Jogaku. A lone warrior braved the dangerous climb and found a giant rock covered in flames. He touched his sword to the fire. Flames engulfed the steel, but left him unharmed. He created a new fighting style he called the Way of the Flame. The warrior took pieces of the rock west with him to China. There he sought answers about its origin from learned monks and scholars. After months of travel and research, fire fell from the sky once more. He led the people to it and showed them it was nothing to fear. For he believed the Way of the Flame was a gift from the heavens, and he shared its secrets with all who wished to learn. Handed down through generations, the Way of the Flame has returned to Tsushima. The Mongols wield it against our people. But rumor says the fire still burns atop Mount Jogaku, waiting for any who can survive the climb.
So you wish to know if the tale is true? Will you make the climb?
Not I, my lord. I told the story to a Ronin not long ago, and he began the climb. Though I fear the cold will take him.
I'll find what secret the mountain hides. So cold. Getting colder. Need to warm up. Need a fire soon.
safe by the fire, my lord.
Thank you. Are you alright?
My pride hurts more than my body.
It's an unforgiving mountain. What were you hoping to find at the top?
Answers. Power. Anything. A flaming sword would be useful in a place like this.
So it would.
I'm sure you'll pass the mountain. Good luck, my lord.
So cold. Need warmth. Soon. Need a fire soon.
يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي.
Another campfire. Now rest a moment.
يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي وإلى موعد مولاك ارجعي. يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي وإلى موعد
Different climber wrote this. How many have tried to reach the top?
وإذا تأخر مطلب فلربما في ذلك التأخير كل المطمع فاستأنسي
Need warmth.
بالملء
Soon.
وارعي حقه إن الرضا
Can't take much more cold.
منيب الألمع وإذا بدا من ناطق
That campfire is my only hope.
يدعوك للياس الذليل الأسنع فاستيقظي
Very light.
نومة الغفلات
Never been so cold.
يكن الرجاء لك مرتعا فيه ارتعي يكن الرجاء يكن الرجاء لك
So cold.
مرتعا فيه ارتعي
Need warmth. Soon. Need a fire soon.
إن العطاء متنوع يا حسن هذاك العطاء المتنوع
Someone built a dojo here.
Welcome, my lord. Call me Betomaru.
Jin Sakai. I wasn't expecting to find anyone up here.
I've wondered if any would make the climb. You seek the way of the flame.
Invaders from the west with flaming swords threatened Tsushima.
They brought back the gift offered to them by my ancestor.
Teach me, Betomaru. A samurai will show the Mongols the true power of your way.
Take a piece of the rock, and we will face each other in combat. Only then will you learn the way of the flame.
قدمته أمشي بي يسعى معي يا رب يا
Now to duel Betomaru and learn his technique.
لي ظن جميل وافر قدمته حاشاك أن يبقى هشيم
The way of the flame is unforgiving.
ثم الصلاة على النبي سبب القوي إلى المقام الرفيع وعصمتي فاستمسكي يا نفس بالمجد
Now, strike your sword against your piece of the rock. Once more, let the way of the flame guide you. Our fight ends here, my lord.
Good. The way of the flame is not meant for friendly rivals. I will wield it well against the enemies of Tsushima.
You have learned the way of the flame. Never forget it is a gift that fell from the heavens, Lord Sakai.
I didn't know that it'd be so hard yet for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know what makes me sad. I sit around and ponder emotions in my head. I give up, no matter what I do, I'm not enough. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up. No matter what I do, I give up, I give up. So many people think they know me, but they only know my music. And there's so much opportunity, so hard to make the most of it. When you feel so depressed and your bed whispers just to stay in it, I think I've had enough of it. I know that I'm not gonna win. Surrendering my everything, I'm giving up, I'm giving in. Nobody understands what I'm going through. Can't explain when you don't come from it. I give up, no matter what I do, I'm not here, no. I try so hard to stop, I give in to every single bad temptation. And I just wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up, I give up. I give up, I give up, I give up. Wanna feel like a good person, a good person. When I wake every single morning now, I give up, I give up. I give up. I give up, I give up, I give up.
Legion Harsinta,
On our walks, my mother would regale me with funny stories about the cats that roam the palaces in Kyoto. I would pepper her with questions, but soon enough it was time for bokken practice. My mother would bring me to the swordmaster, a gruff country samurai, but I think she wanted something else for me.